Hey guys, today in this video we will learn how to change image into sketch. For this, background eraser app is required. Open the background eraser app, tap to select a photo, crop it and save. There is a function in this app, auto color. Select auto color, put the cursor on the colorful place. Don't place on the draw line. If you put the cursor on lines will be removed. So you have to place it on colors only. If you find difficulty, zoom the image and keep raising colors. Like this, all colors from the picture will be removed and your pic will be changed into sketch. After this, tap done and save and finish.